Jeffrey Cornwell here at Marino Performance Motors in West Palm Beach, Florida. Today I'm going to do a video walk around on our 2019 Ferrari 812 Superfast. Absolutely beautiful example. Just took this in on trade from a very good client. Not really anything I can point out on the negative side of things. The car is nicely equipped. It does have aftermarket wheels. Again, really nothing I can point out negative on the car. Take a look at the front. The front is not no rock chips. Side front wheel, no curb rash. Tread on the tires is very good. Go down the driver's side here, no dings or scratches to point out. Lower rocker is good. Here to the rear wheel, no curb rash here. There's plenty of tread on the tires. Look across the rear. Point out here. Around here to the passenger side. Again, no curb spots on the wheel. Down the side, nothing to point out here. Take a look at the interior. Stunning black with beige seats. Does have the carbon fiber racing seats. Does have the lifter as well. Current miles are 16,051. See, there's no check engine lights or any other warning lights. See, it's got the LED shift. Steering wheel. Dashboard. Dash pad's in great shape. No pulling or lifting. Headliner's in very good condition. Walk to the other side. Take a look here in the rear. Looks like we have the car cover, the bag, steering wheel cover, seat covers, battery tender, books, and I have both keys here in my hand. Take a look at the build plaque. Build plaque with all the options. So the interior is in very nice condition. No bolster wear on the seats. Dash pad again is in great shape.